Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off contact syncing on Instagram. So if you want Instagram to stop synchronizing your contacts, showing that you are on Instagram with other friends or from suggesting other friends from your contact to you, then you need to disable turn off contact syncing. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn off contact syncing on Instagram, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application on any device. Click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Select the menu icon at the top right. Now, under Settings and Activity, locate and click on Account Center. Under Account Center, scroll down. You want to click on Your Information and Permission. Then hang on for this page. On this page, locate Upload Contacts and click on that. Once you selected Upload Contact, go ahead and click on your Instagram account under Upload Contact and make sure Connect Contact is disabled. If Connect Contact is enabled, this is going to sync all your contact on Instagram. But to disable or turn off contact syncing on your Instagram accounts, just disable Connect Contact. Once you disable Connect Contact, you should see a pop-up that says Disconnect Contact. So go ahead and click on Disconnect. And there you go. So if you go back to your Instagram profile page, refresh the page, then you should see contact syncing turned off. So that is basically how you can easily turn off or remove contact syncing on Instagram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.